Hello everyone, Niran sir here and welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture I will try to cover some questions which are related to JEE, IIT JEE Mains, and the topic is matrix. So many different questions are there. So out of all those questions I have selected some questions from different years. One question I have selected from 2016. Okay, the question is like that. Here one matrix P is given, which is an order of 2 by 2. The elements are root 3 by 2, half, minus half, and root 3 by 2. A is the another matrix of order 2 by 2, whose elements are 1, 1, 0, 1. And another condition or relation between P, A, and Q is given to us. Q is equal to P into A into P transpose. I think we have got the idea about the transpose of any matrix. Then we have to find out the value of P transpose into Q to the power 2015 into P. Four options are given. We have to select the correct one. Very simple question. Don't be confused. What are the important properties will be required to find out the answer of this one question is that this is nothing but the transpose of the matrix and product of the matrix. We have the idea. So let us try to find it out. What is given? First of all, to have the value of this one, P transpose is required and Q to the power 2015 is required. As P is this one, so we can easily find out P transpose. Am I correct? So P transpose means where? Root 3 by 2 half. It will be minus half, then root 3 by 2. We have got the value of P transpose. And it is known to us that P into P transpose, the product of a matrix and its transpose is always equal to the identity matrix, which is equal to the P transpose into P. It is known to us. Product of a matrix and its transpose is always equal to the identity matrix. Now, so Q to the power 2015, we should have the value of this one, and this expression can also be written as the value of P is given, Q is given as P into A P transpose whole to the power 2015. That means we have to multiply this term P into A into P to the power P transpose into 2015 times. P A P transpose into P A P transpose into P A P transpose how many times? 2015 term. Remember. So first of all we will try to simplify these two terms. Then obviously from the observation you have come to know that P transpose into P is equal to what? Identity matrix. And if we multiply any matrix with the identity matrix, the matrix will be remain same. That means this expression will convert it to P A into P transpose. Am I correct? And P A P transpose, it will be 2015 terms. Okay, so here also it will be P into A square into P transpose into P A P transpose is equal to 2015 terms. Correct? What we have got, when we have multiplied two terms of that type, P into A into P transpose, we have got P into A square into P transpose. Then when we will multiply, again, if we will multiply this term with this one, we will have P into P transpose equal to identity, and multiplication of identity matrix with any matrix, it will be, the matrix will be remain same. That means we will get P A cube P transpose. In this way we can easily generalize. After having the multiplication of the three terms, we have got P P cube P transpose. How many times you have to multiply? 2015 terms. Then obviously the answer will be what? We can easily write it down. P 2000 A to the power 2015 into P transpose. We can easily find it out after having the simplification process. That means you have got Q to the power 2015 is equal to P A to the power 2015 into P transpose. Now that means we can easily write it down. P A to the power 2015 into P transpose. Now which one expression we have to find out a value? We have to find a value of P transpose Q to the power 2015 into P. This expression can be written as P transpose. What is the value of Q to the power 2015? This is nothing but P A to the power 2015 into P transpose. Correct? P is there. So again, P transpose is equal to identity, P transpose equal to identity, and multiplication of any matrix with identity, the matrix will be remain same. This is nothing but 2000 and a to the power 2015. Now we'll try to find out a value of a to the power 2015. So what will be the answer? So a to the power 2015 is equal to what? First of all, a is given, so a is squared. That means a into a, this is nothing but 1101 into 1101. So try to multiply, then obviously it will be 1, then it will be 1 plus 1, 2, it will be 0, then it will be 1. Okay, so then we can easily find it out. A square is equal to this one. What we have got? P to transpose q to the power 2015, P is equal to nothing but 2015. These steps we have got. So what is the value of a cube? A cube means a square into a square means 1201 and 1101. So try to multiply, then obviously you will get 1301. So if you observe carefully, then you will get that. So depending upon the value of a square, a cube, a, all those matrices are converted to the specific pattern depending upon the degree. If the degree is 2, then this term is 2. As the degree is 3, we have got that this term is 3. Other terms are remain same. That's why we can easily give the conclusion that a to the power 2015 is nothing but 120501. This is the expression. That means the value of this expression is equal to what? A to the power 2015. This is nothing but 120501. Which option is correct? The option C is correct. So C is the correct option. Just the procedures are required. So what are the main concept to be required to find out the answer of this type of question? Transpose and the product of a matrix. Very simple question. Just try to find it out the answer yourself. If you are not getting the point, then go through the video once again. And very simple questions are there. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.